Chargeable Persons versus PAYE Taxpayers. Hi there, this is Pádraig here from Payroll Matters in Ireland, and today I want to talk to you about Chargeable Persons versus PAYE Taxpayers, as it is a question that crops up every so often in our Facebook group called Payroll Matters in Ireland. As a group for PAYE workers, we don't generally answer questions from non-PAYE self-employed and chargeable persons. In this video, I want to explain some of the differences between the two, because there can be instances where PAYE workers can earn extra income but may not be statutorily obliged to register for self-assessment. After watching this brief guide, if you are still unsure which applies to you, it's always a good idea to check with Revenue or consult a tax professional. I am a tax and payroll professional at Boyle Payroll Project Management, Ireland's leading payroll outsource provider for small businesses, but I do not deal with self-employed Form 11 tax returns. Boyle Payroll Project Management, BPPM, has recently commenced processing or completing income tax returns Form 12s, claiming tax credits, etc. for any PAYE taxpayers that wish to have someone complete them on their behalf. We at Payroll Matters in Ireland continue to encourage PAYE workers to look after their own tax affairs and have many helpful guides to assist them. We are aware that some taxpayers still wish to pay someone to do it for them. So feel free to pop me an email to info@bppm.ie for more details. A chargeable person is someone who has income not fully taxed under PAYE or pay-as-you-earn system. Examples include self-employed individuals, landlords with rental income, or individuals with foreign income. They are legally required to file a self-assessment tax return called a Form 11 when that non-PAYE income goes above a certain threshold, which I will tell you about in a little while. Form 11 is used by chargeable persons to report and pay income tax, universal social charge, and pay-related social insurance, PRSI. This is mandatory for self-employed individuals or anyone with non-PAYE income above certain thresholds. So, who should register for income tax self-assessment? You should register for income tax self-assessment if you are self-employed or your only or main source of income is A. rental income, B. investment income, C. foreign income including foreign pensions, D. maintenance payments, E. fees that are exempt from pay-as-you-earn, PAYE, or F. you have profited from share options or share incentives. You must register for self-assessment if your taxable non-PAYE income exceeds €5,000 or your gross non-PAYE income exceeds €30,000. PAYE taxpayers are employees whose taxes are deducted automatically by their employer through the PAYE system. In many cases, PAYE taxpayers don't need to file a Form 11 tax return unless they have additional sources of income or specified claims which exceed the thresholds as we mentioned a little earlier. A Form 11 is used by self-employed and chargeable persons. The deadline for submission of these returns is usually at the end of October each year. A Form 12, or what is referred to as an income tax return, which PAYE workers complete after the end of the tax year, which runs from January to December, and if they wish to declare additional income that is under the thresholds or claim additional tax credits like rent tax credit or medical expenses, tax relief or other tax credits or reliefs, they have 4 years from the end of the tax year in question to claim additional tax credits or tax reliefs. Form 12 is a simplified return designed for PAYE taxpayers who may or may not have other minor sources of income, like dividends or rental income, or who wish to claim additional tax reliefs. It's not as detailed as a Form 11 and is suitable for less complex tax situations and only for those under the thresholds. Your non-PAYE income can be taxed by adjusting your income tax credits and standard rate cut-off point, called coding, if the amounts do not exceed the above threshold amounts. To declare your non-PAYE income, you must submit a Form 12 online through PAYE services in My Account. You can register for self-assessment by using the e-registration services or completing Part A and Part B of Form TR1. You can deregister for income tax self-assessment by filling out a TRCN1 form. That's a TRCN1 form. To deregister for income tax self-assessment on revenue online services, you need to sign in to ROS. Under the Other Services section, click Manage Tax Registration. Click Cease Registration for Income Tax. Complete the Cease Registration Income Tax screen. Click Add to your requests. Click the Submit button to proceed. Enter your ROS password and then click Sign and Submit. This video contains Irish public sector information licensed under a Creative Commons Attribution 4.0 International CC BY 4.0 license. I do hope the above helps clarify things. My final important message before I leave you for now is, can I ask those of you that have not already done so to hit the subscribe button and also to turn on YouTube notifications for this channel so you can get an alert every time we post a new video guide, as we have many more helpful pay, income tax and other work-related guides and videos to bring you. It costs you nothing to subscribe, but could help you save hundreds or even thousands of euro into your hand on pay and tax. Go on, hit that subscribe button. Go on. Go on. Go on, go on, go on. Hit that subscribe button. See you next time.